Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Monday and I hope you all had a great weekend. Well, today as you can see we have an unbagging. That means we have a review, so let's find out what is in the bag. Oh, we have cross stitches. All right, this bag comes from the FGNormal store, and if they have any specials or any discount codes, or if I have any, it'll be right in here. So let's take a look at what we have. We have a Joy Sunday kit, and this kit is 34 by 34. It was $7.44. Let's see what we have. That is, if I can get it out of the bag. All right. But I thought this was quite pretty. It says Fruit Disc Peach. Now, I don't know if I've had this before or not. It just looks kind of familiar, but I did like all the colors in it. So we're just going to carry on like we don't know any better. But yeah, it has lovely colors in it. I don't think it's got a little bit of back stitching in it, but I'm not. Oh, I see, right down here on the kiwi fruit. But we have oranges, pineapples, cherries, oranges, peaches. Just beautiful, beautiful colors. Just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Now this kit has 33 colors in full stitch and 1 color in back stitch. It's 150 by 147, and it's just one paper pattern. Paper pattern will not match the canvas, but very nicely done. Doesn't look too confettied at all, like a kind of a straight stitch, so might be just fine, I hope. I guess, oh, I see, the numbers just run all the way across and all the way across here. We have no 310 black. We have 498, which is a brick red. No 666 red. Anything else I know? Nope, nope, nope. We have 3371 as a dark brown, and B5200 for the white. And back stitching color is 523. Is that, I don't know what shade that is. Let's see, 523. It's a green. So yeah. So that doesn't look too hard. And let's get this out and see what this looks like. We have 2 thread cards. Get them separated here. And we have 2 needles. I'm just going to pull this apart. So there's your B5200 and kind of a bricky red, kind of a yellow gold. I know that's kind of a contradiction in terms, but it's more yellow than it is gold. It doesn't make sense, I'm sorry. But lots of oranges, browns, greens. There's your 3371, kind of a pale yellow there. A pale yellow green there. We got some pinks. There's your 498 red. Very nice. Very nice indeed. Beautiful colors. Kind of bright and vivid and cheery, you know. In the middle of winter you need cheery. That's all I can say. Let's take a look at this canvas. Oh, and I'm starting to get the heebie-jeebies. Oh no, it's not as bad. I thought maybe it was wet, but it's not. Just looks weird, but it has not been wet. The canvas, you know, where you stitch is perfectly fine. Nice, easy to see symbols. They're kind of a little dark, but I don't think you'll have too much trouble. Let's measure this. Looks kind of square. So it's 34 centimeters or almost 13.5 inches by almost 34.5 centimeters or 13.5 inches. The actual picture is, a little over 10.5 inches or 27 centimeters by almost 27 centimeters or 10 3/4 inches. So it's pretty close to square. So if you had a 12 by 12 frame, you'd be fine. Now, I don't know if they made these with different select fruits. Like this one says peach. Is there one that says watermelon or apples or pears or whatever? I have no idea. I know this is an older kit. So yeah, it'll be interesting. But I'm glad it's not confettied. It's just dark. You can see that in that, I don't know what it is, an orange maybe? I can't remember. I didn't look that hard. But yeah. See how dark you've got, like a gray symbol. You have black circles. And then you have that red half square. And then you have a dark blue. You have a dark green in here. So that might be a little bit of a trick. But it's not confettied. You're just going to have to sort through it. So, a little bit different. Yeah, well, Lora must not have been in her right mind when she ordered this, because guess what? Yeah. Give me a sec. Let me get it out of its bag. All right, look what I got. Yeah, now I have two copies of this. So this is one we opened yesterday from Fan Sales, 11 count, 49 by 65, and it was $12.41 here at FGNormal. I just love the picture, I guess. I just love those blues and turquoises. So we'll go through this fairly fast. It has 41 colors, no back stitching. It's 170 by 240. We have no 310 black. Anything I know of. Using 3865 for the white. And no 3771, which is that dark brown. So I'm not sure what they use for that. But beautiful colors. Does have instructions on how to start, how to finish. And it came with 2 needles right there. And a toolkit with 3 needles, poof ball thimble, and needle threader. I'll just set that aside so I don't stab myself. I'm going to get those needles out of there too, because, you know, it is what it is. Set those needles down. And let's look at these gorgeous colors again. They're awesome. Just bright and vivid. Got purples and blues and yellow green. There's your 3865. But the pinks and the turquoises in this are just absolutely stunning. Just stunning. Oh yeah, I think it had 823 and 939 in it. And 996. Yeah, just beautiful, stunning, stunning colors. Gorgeous. And you know, the funny thing is, I saw this on another site a couple days ago, and I'm like, you know, that's a really good looking pen. I almost got it again. I almost had 3 copies. Yeah, something in my brain stopped me. It was before I got the Fan Sales order. Yeah, and this one. But just beautiful, beautiful, bright, vivid colors. And you could put as much back stitching in it as you'd like. It's just gorgeous. And the canvas is serged all the way around. And I believe this is a Mona Lisa. But very well printed. Nice, big, huge symbols over here. Just a stunning, and it's nice and lightweight and crunches very nicely. It's just absolutely a gorgeous, gorgeous kit. Very good job, Mona Lisa. I like that it has the nice extra big symbols over here. They're just so easy to see. Now this one is 49 by 60, right? 49 by 65. Okay. Okay, it's 63 and a half. Yeah, they didn't measure that well. 63 and a half centimeters or 25 inches by, I may have written it down wrong too, 50 centimeters or 19 and 3/4 inches. Actual picture size is 15 and 1/4 inches or 38 and a half centimeters by, if I can get it to stay where it's supposed to be, 55 centimeters or 21 and 3/4 inches. But it's just a lovely, lovely, lovely kit. Evidently it impressed me because I got it twice. Amazing. Just amazing. Very easy. That's what I love about Mona Lisa 11 count. I don't know that I have any Mona Lisa 14 count. If I do, remind me because I can't remember. But I just like the way the 11 counts are printed. It's very bold. It's easy to see, clear. Yeah. Mona Lisa is like third in line. You know, you go Joy Sunday, always #1. Then Spring, and then Mona Lisa. And I stopped there. I do like some Yushu kits, but yeah. Each to his own. Each to his own. But very nice indeed. Now that is all that I got from FGNormal. Now they do have diamond painting cross stitch, beaded cross stitch, silk cross stitch. They always have tools and crafts for all of that. I know they're having big spring sales now. And they always have such a wide selection, great prices. So do check them out. Thank you, FGNormal, for these gorgeous, gorgeous kits. Love them both. Evidently, I love one more than the other, as you can see. But, yeah. Thank you for watching today. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy, and we'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.